Li Ziqi is one of China's biggest internet stars. Her YouTube channel is the world's most popular Chinese language channel. In China, she has nearly 100 million followers across platforms like Weibo, Bilibili, Douyin, and more. She's known for videos of her idyllic life in the Sichuan countryside. But in July, she stopped uploading new videos. Her huge fanbase started speculating about why she seems to have taken a step back from her active online life. The last time she posted, it was about how to make salt. But it was a month later when she uploaded this photo of herself that rumors of her unhappiness started. In her photo, she is filing a police report, and she reportedly posted this meme the night before that but deleted it. In screen grabs online, she wrote a comment that translates to "Big enterprise are manipulative." While she hasn't come out to point fingers, much of the rumors involve her talent agency, Weinian. Weinian used to be Li's MCN or multi-channel network. There's a relationship where the MCN usually helps to amplify a content creator and takes a share of video revenue. The better a video creator does, the more profit to the MCN. Stop posting and everyone suffers. Things were good enough that after a year of working together, Weinian and Li decided to set up a company in 2017 to take this relationship to the next step. Weinian owns the majority stake though. This new company launched a line of Li Ziqi brand products, mostly of packaged food. And the success of the products has been hugely profitable for both. For instance, they sell over 1 million packs of noodles every month online. But following Li's post about her unhappiness, her assistant also said that the star was having issues with a third-party company. This got people wondering if things were bad with Weinian. A month later, the assistant posted again refuting rumors of unhappiness within the team. And responding to press articles saying there's conflict between Li and Weinian, the assistant simply restated the business relationship between the two. We reached out to Weinian and the agency declined to comment or funnel further queries to Li. In an interview with Xinhua in September, Li remained coy about the pause in posting videos. She said she didn't want to be half-hearted about making videos and it takes time to develop content. Outside her usual polished video, Li is still active on Luzhou where she posts snapshots of her daily life taking care of her grandma and going to amusement parks. But when will we see her back on YouTube?